Hello, my dear children. I am back again with lots of fun and learning for you all. I hope you all are good and taking very good care of yourself. So now, to begin with, don't forget to open your elephant ears and magnet eyes. So let's revise the sound drill for the letters that we already know. So here is letter S. So you're going to tell me the name and the sound for letter S. S is correct. And now let's see the next letter. It's a vowel. And letter A. A says ah. This is letter T. T says t. Letter P. Correct. P says pa. This is letter N. N says superb. And again, it's a vowel. And the name of this letter is I. I says I. Letter L. L says L. Now let's see the next letter. And this is letter D. D says D. And this is letter F. F says letter H. And what sound does letter H make? Yes, you got it right. H says and again it's a special letter, vowel. Letter O. O says O. And here comes letter C. C says correct. And letter K. K says the same sound. Yes, very good. This is letter CK. And CK also makes the same sound. You got it right. And it's letter G. Can't you all saying the sound? Yes, G says G. This is letter R. Wow. Letter R says R. This is the letter which we are doing. And this is letter B. So what's the sound for letter B? Come on, children, with action. B. B. Superb. And now we are going to see the pictures for letter B. So let's see which are those. So when teacher shows you the pictures, what are we going to do? You're going to tell me the sound and name of the picture. So let's say it together. Bubbles. Bubbles. Baby. Once again. Baby. Ball. Ball. Balloons. Balloons. Bathtub. Yes, you got it right. Bathtub. The last picture. Which color is this, children? Blue, correct. Blue. Wow. So, you know so many words and pictures with letter B. So now it's time for us to listen to the rhyme for letter B. Here we go.
Baby Bobby wants a bath and he likes to bathe with bubbles bursting, baby giggling, baby calling, ba, ba, ba.
Come on, children, one more time. Let's sing this rhyme.
Baby Bobby loves a bath and he likes to bathe with bubbles bursting, baby giggling, baby calling, ba, ba, ba.
What a beautiful rhyme. And I'm sure till now you all know this rhyme so well. So you all know the sounds, you know the pictures with letter B, and you also know the words with letter B. So children, today teacher is going to do the elephingers technique. And I'm sure till now you all know how to make the words. So teacher will give you word and you are going to remove that many fingers and we are going to do the elephingers technique. So the first word is bag. Come on, put all your hands behind and remove that many fingers. Are we ready? Show. Now see. Correct. And now we are going to break the sounds and make the word. B-A-G. Bag. Come on, let's say it one more time. B-A-G. Bag. Correct. One last time. B-A-G. Bag. Superb. Again, let's put our hands behind. And the next word is brick. Listen carefully. Brick. Now show. Check, check, check whether you have removed the correct number of fingers. Now see. And now we are going to break the sounds and make the word. B-R-I-C. Brick. Once again. B-R-I-C. Brick. One last time. B-R-I-C. Brick. So children, in the word brick, there are 4 sounds. But do you know in the end which sound is there? That means you are going to write letter C-K. So there will be 5 letters and 4 sounds. And now one last word. The word is back. Come on, remove that many fingers quickly. Show. Oh, is it right? Back. Again, I'm going to give you one chance. Come on, children, check your fingers again and remove. Back. Yes, back has 3 sounds. And now let's break them. B-A-K. Back. Listen carefully. B-A-K. Back. One last time. B-A-K. Back. So again, can you tell me which sound is coming towards the end? Yes, K. So when K sound comes towards the end, that means that word will be having 3 sounds and 4 letters. So it is B-A-C-K. 4 letters and B-A-K. Back. So I hope you all are not confusing yourself. Now it's time for a fun game. Let's see what are you going to do today. And here we go. Let's say 3 magical words. Abracadabra, gilly gilly, choo. Wow, we are going to play the quiz game again of match the similar pictures. And let's begin. So are we all ready? And here comes the first question. So what are we going to do? We are going to select the pictures with letter B. So I can see bat, dog and watermelon. Which is the right picture? Yes, bat. So let's see. Correct, you got it right. Now let's see what next we have. So are we ready for the next question? So here is the picture of bubbles. So you have to show where is bubble from here. Click on that. Here is the bubbles. Yes, you got it right again. Superb. And now comes the third question. Superb, I can see a lovely bathtub. And where is the bathtub towards the right? Yes, here. So let's click on that. Lovely. Here comes the bonus round. So let's select one card. Yes, so we are going to play the bonus round. Are we all ready? Here comes the next question. So I can see a big bus. And here, can you see a bus? Yes. Let's click on that. The next question. Wow, beautiful color balloons. So where are the balloons here? Wow, you're scoring so nicely. Yay, that was fun. Children, I hope you enjoyed this game with teacher. And you know what? I have one more fun home play activity. And let's see what are you all going to do today at home. And here it comes. Such a beautiful activity you are going to do at home. So you are going to take a balloon and you are going to blow the balloon. And then what are you going to do? You are going to put the balloon in the air and keep on bouncing. And see that it doesn't comes to the floor. So keep on bouncing the balloon and enjoy the activity. So I hope you had fun today with Leela teacher. But now it's time for me to say bye-bye. But don't forget to eat healthy food and drink lots and lots of water. Bye-bye children. See you soon.